Racism don't work without black cooperation. We're going to tell the truth and shame the devil. Telma Branch, the Branch family, y'all knew about this since I started this. I'm a whistleblower on the courts and the criminality in courts. Y'all make a lot of money off of black bodies. Talking about the haves versus the have-nots. Telma Branch for Congress? No, we talking about Kwai Sanfume. We talking about Jill P. Carter. We talking about Warren Brown, the White Pettit, J. Wendell Gordon, Hassan Giordano, Ivan Bates. That's Article 4 of the Constitution. The right of people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches, seizures shall not be violated. No warrant shall be issued upon probable cause supported by an oath of affirmation. All right? I'm placing this check in escrow until I receive a state and federal audit. I asked for state and federal audit in 2017. I ain't the man in the red hat. All right? I'm an artist. That's the Visionary Arts Museum. And I use Dick Tracy to tell my story. Everybody know who Dick Tracy is. That's Illinois and Maryland because I was kidnapped by the state. All right. That's Duane G. Davis, EPA, asbestos and lead removal. I turned in, man, I did what I did. I blew the whistle on TNP engineering about asbestos and lead in the schools, the FBI building in Pittsburgh. Yeah. This is a Dick Tracy moment. It's a throwback. So Pastor Heber Brown, you contact Pastor Heber Brown and get my paperwork. You see that? That's 1986. We're talking about the 1986 crime bill. The 1986 crime bill. That's the ACLU in Chicago. I'm an inmate. I'm a whistleblower. The Innocence Project. Duane Davis, P.O. Box 38, Lake County, Illinois. Thank you for your recent inquiry. Our office has carefully reviewed the information which you have provided. Due to our scarce resources, we limit our representation to prisoners' cases and those who represent the issues in common large group of prisoners. All right? Give me to file a class action lawsuit about the war on drugs. Because the war on drugs is a war on the black community. All right? This was not an individual problem. All right? I submitted names of individuals that wanted their cases reviewed. All right. That's the Lake County Board. Y'all got that. Documentary, Mississippi Cold Case File. Consider me your Thomas More. All right. Like I said, 1986 crime bill. That's an interstate commerce offenders application for transfer. All right. FBI number available if needed. That's Maryland, 1402 Lochner, Duane G. Davis. State Illinois, Maryland. Illinois, Maryland. See the date? 6/3/2008. I was locked up in another state. That's United States mail and theft and vandalism complaint. All right. That's from 1/2/2008 to the present date. United States Postal Service. Duane G. Davis, Shorty's Underground Ribs, State of Maryland, Environment, all right, Towson, Maryland. You took a $300 check number, date of check, Jake Davis, Darlene Davis, and Bank of America. Y'all participated in fraud. That's my postal inspector's number, right? And that was filed in 2012. Baltimore County Detention Center was involved. All material is enclosed to federal and criminal complaints. Contact the Department of Justice. Like I said, it's a federal violations and postal violations. So everything that Stephanie Blake got, that's the IRS complaint. That's the Attorney General, Erek Holder. That's Jane Miller. Because we're going to show you the role of the media played in misinformation. Jane Miller, Barry Sims, Adam May, Kai Jackson, Mary Mubala, Vic Carter. Yeah, we're going to show you the role that the media played in misinformation. That's Larry Hogan. Larry Hogan made $500 million off of prison labor. I filed my complaint with Larry Hogan in Insurance Incorporate, the Maryland Insurance Company, Al Redmer. That was in 2019. That's 2017. Governor Hogan ain't answered this because Governor Hogan made he averages over $500 million a year off of prison labor. Free labor. That's Shorty's Catering. That's Baltimore Best, 1999. I'm the king of, I'm the barbecue king in Baltimore. That's my number. Or it was my old number. All right. That's the IRS. See that? That's the IRS. And that's the IRS number. So we looking for a date. I'm looking for a federal and state audit. Peter Francott. That's the inmate request slip. Duane G. Davis, 2008. I was locked up in another state, so I couldn't have wrote them checks. All right. Jim Crow justice system. My diary is an unofficial official report of the treatment of inmates and the abuses of power by your guards. All right. And that's Erek Holder, 2009. I'm not a jailhouse snitch. I'm a jailhouse lawyer. That's Governor Hogan, 2017. Robt Fixed Media. All right. You didn't sign it, but you part of the movie. I applied for Martin Luther King's job, 2011, and y'all locked me up for applying for his job. See that? 2007, Poor People's Campaign. That's Martin Luther King, 11/4/2007. That's page 1 of 3. That's Duane G. Davis, 2017, Judge Cox grand jury request. You see that? Grand jury, Scott Shellenberger, destroyed evidence, 2/7/2011. Right here, whoever having knowledge of the actual commission of a felony cognizable by a court of law, the United States conceals and does not as soon as possible make known. You've been concealing this. On December the 10th, 2010, we was at Councilman Welch's retirement party. You, McFadden, yeah, you know about this. You've been knowing about this for the longest. That's the codes. That's the law. That's State of Illinois versus Duane Davis, filed 2007, to retrieve the property taken by the Lake County courts in 1986, the 1986 case. All right, see that? That's the address. That's 07CF498, the defendant's property, January 2010. That's my lawyer, John Bailey. That's Duane G. Davis, 1402 Lochner, 1/31/2010. This is the follow-up letter to our videotape phone call, 1/30/2010, pertaining to your failure and refusal to defend my civil and constitutional and human rights violation. All right? It's all right here. A federal grand jury hearing. All right? I got 5,000 signatures. All right? Gov.O'Malley, Illinois and Maryland, to hold a federal interstate hearing in the eye of the world. Senator Hardin, chairman of the World Court Human Rights Commission. I have applied for political asylum to be deported back to the country I have, all right, that have blacks in there. All right, it's all right here. Erek Holder, Department of Justice. Respectfully submitted. This makes it a legal notice. All right. So President Obama, Lisa Madigan, Patrick Fitzgerald, Director of the FBI, Governor O'Malley, Governor Quinn, Lake County Board, Judge Bell, Carl Snowden, Erek Holder, Hillary Clinton, Cardins, Karen Parks, Roland Martin, Baltimore office of the NAACP, State Attorney Schellenberger, ABC News Charles Gibson, and Don Lemon. Freedom of speech. All right, freedom of speech. Covered under the Constitution, my First Amendment. Having a community in crisis town hall. That's Congressman Cummings and Donald Trump. That's the criminal case right there against Scott Shellenberger. And these other people that know about it. Scott Shellenberger, Donald Trump. And that's Senator Van Hollen. And that's me locked up. American Visionary Arts Museum. All right. And we talking about this right here in Annapolis. Because y'all hired dirty cops. This is the cop that killed Tyrone West. And y'all gave him a job in Annapolis. Y'all protect corruption in Annapolis. Governor Hogan. All right. I was making a movie about y'all. Ain't no law against making a movie. Put me in, coach. I'm ready to play. February the 17th, 2022, it's going to be an art exhibit in Annapolis. From the streets to the seats.